Good morning. I've had a couple of teachers ask me about what I did for my maternity plans, so I figured I would tell you. I'm in my living room right now while Viv is sleeping, so trying to do this kind of quickly. Right now you can see me down here in the corner, and then you can see what's on my screen. And what I'm using is a program called Screencastify. I'm doing it on my Chromebook. You can use Screencastify on a Chromebook, or if you have a laptop that has the Google Chrome browser, you can use it. So what Screencastify is actually an add-on, it's an extension to your Chrome browser. If you take a little peek up here, I have several extensions. These are all extensions. It's kind of like an app, if you think about an app. And actually right here, this is my Screencastify one, and the little red dot means I'm currently recording. Before I show you how to install your Screencastify, I was going to show you a couple of the features on here of why I really like it and why it can be helpful for off-campus learning. So first of all, you get to see the teacher. Not that we love that, but it's helpful for your kids and helps remind them that you're there, you're part of this, all of that. You can choose not to have this on if you'd prefer. Like if I click this X, I would go away and just have my voice, which I've done as well. There are some drawing tools over here. For example, there's a pen. So if you need to highlight something or cross something off, you can change the color, you can erase it, all of those things right on here. And I'm just using my touchpad while I'm talking to you on the phone. You can pause the recording, which I had to do when I was lesson planning for maternity leave because I was trying to do it at school. Students would interrupt me. So you can pause it and come back. You can turn your webcam on and off, and then you can, if you have all sorts of drawing, you can also clear it as well. Go back to the mouse pointer. So the reason I really like it, it's super easy to do. It links right to your Google account. So all of the videos automatically save in your Google account. I have uploaded them to YouTube, which I know Mary Kay has given you that direction of how to upload things to your YouTube. Or I've just linked them right to my Google Classroom or sent the link out from there. So to install Screencastify, you're going to want to go to the Chrome web store, and I honestly just Google it. So Chrome web store. The nice thing is, did you see that when I click, it'll turn red? It's kind of cool. Didn't do it that time, of course, because I drew attention to it. And then you're looking at the extensions. So you search the store. It's called Screencastify, all one word. For me, it is already added, but it looks like this. If you hadn't added it yet, it would say add to Chrome. And so you would click on that. If you want to take a little peek at it beforehand, just like you do in an app store regularly, you can check it all out. And then right here would be the button to add to Chrome. It takes, less than a minute. And then you will see it pop up here with your other extensions if you have them. Or it might be your only extension. So when you click on this Screencastify button, that's how you would start a video. So I would suggest, like, if you're doing your math in focus and you're trying to explain a worksheet, have the worksheet pulled up already, kind of be prepared. And then you press it. It looks a little different at the moment because I'm in, but it would give you some options. It would say, do you want the webcam on? Do you want the drawing tools? Do you, are you ready to start recording? And you would obviously say, yes to all of those. I always prefer to have more options than not. You press start. It does a 3, 2, 1 countdown. You start talking. It feels awkward, but it's okay, and your students don't care, and it gets more normal. And then when you're done, you press this stop button. When you press the stop button, it actually will pop up in a new tab, and I wasn't completely prepared. I wish I would have had that done for you already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the stop button. It'll pop up in a new tab. I'm going to start a new recording and then show you what happens after you're done with your video.